Here at Architectural Fabrication, we strive to be the best turnkey solution for all your exterior sun control needs. One of the key components in our turnkey process is our in-house powder coating abilities. We have 2 paint booths with a total capacity of approximately 960 square feet, the larger booth being around 30 feet in length, allowing for oversized extrusions. We have 2 walk-in curing ovens with a total capacity of approximately 380 square feet. We also have a 1,000 square foot wash bay. We spray and provide our own color samples, so whether you need a standard anodized silver look or a custom red metallic, we can make it happen. Being able to control the powder coat process reduces our project lead time, which allows us to get your project fabricated and installed as scheduled. Think of us for all your exterior sun control needs, and please visit us at www.arch-fab.com for more information.